Thought I'd give a quick update on another upgrade for Lux. I went with the 4X Innovation rock sliders. I ripped off the aluminum ones finally. Off-roading last time at Flagpole Knob, hit a stump and it took them off. This is a weld job and a paint job, but I ended up going with the Dom with the actual steps built in as well, so that you wouldn't slide when getting up on the roof or into the rack or anything like that. Just to show you the welds, there's 3 points. There's 1, 2, 3, and you can see that it's right on the frame. And this thing appears to be made very well. So hats off to 4X Innovations for a great rock slider for Lux.